Hello and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a quick one, how to add background music to your Pygame game. So let's get right into it. We start with our Pygame setup. This is just a very basic game, but the code is the same for any game, including no game at all. So first what we want to do is make sure we have our audio file in the same folder as the code itself. If not, this isn't an issue because you can always use a directory, but for this, for ease, I will be using a file in my folder called background_music.mp3. Now, let's just get into the code. So we're going to use pygame.mixer.load. Then inside the brackets, we will place in our file name, backgroundmusic.mp3. If your file is not in the same folder, then just use the directory. Great, so we have our music, now we just want to play it. To do this, we use pygame.mixer.music.play. This by itself will play the background music, but so it doesn't end, we put a -1 into the brackets and then it will repeat itself indefinitely. Perfect, so that is the music playing. But to make it a bit more appropriate for background music, we will need to turn down the volume a little bit. So we can do this with pygame.mixer.music.set_volume. Then inside, we place in a float between 0 and 1. I personally find 0.2 is the best, but obviously it's up to you on the volume. Great, and that is all. So now when we run it, I am greeted by my game with a nice quiet music playing in the background while I play my game. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something and enjoyed, and if so, please like and subscribe to support the channel, and I hope to see you in another video.